Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I'll show you how we can turn on and customize always-on display in the smartphone. So as you can see, when you go for the display in the settings, we cannot find here always on display because this option is not available in this model, but there's one external application that allow us to use Google. I was about to say Google, the always on display. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type Muviz Edge. Let's install that application. Let's open. And right now click here. We have to grant permission. Find Muviz Edge and tap on the switcher. Go back and do the same for the record audio. Right now we can simply click to get started and tap here to AOD screens. As you can see, here is the preview how this theme will be looks. We can change it by going for this one, for example. And if you want to customize, you have to tap on the settings icon at the bottom. We can get the lock screen always. We can turn it off after one tap or double tap. We can also close after scanning the fingerprint. We can set the brightness, the timeout. We can also enable notifications, but of course we have to grant permission. So click here, click allow, and then just go back. We can hide after never. We can show date, and we can show status always. So right now when you close our device, turn off by power key, after a few moments the always display will be appears on the screen, and when you tap once it will be turned off, and you can always easy unlock your phone. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.